Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, there are two patterns are forming. Okay, this is a U opposite U pattern is forming, and this is a U pattern forming. So if the price after making high from $95, the price has moved a sharp fall because of the profit booking we have seen. Okay, and now if it form a swing and if it goes above a level of around 85, we will see a further upside movement because there is a clear pattern forming. But if the price didn't sustain this level also, then chances of touching a level of 77 we can see, and if that level move further down, then to a level of 73 and then $68. Okay, so there is a pattern forming as per these two. If the price sustain above 85, a further upside, but if the price fall below around $80, chances of touching 77, then to a level of 73 and the 68 we can see in the price of crude. Okay, first thing. Second thing is that there is a continuous upside we have seen after pandemic. Okay, and this pandemic, what the pattern was saying, that whenever it's hitting its new high, we have seen a sharp fall is coming, and then after sharp fall a swing is forming, that is where it is going upside and making a new high. For the sixth time it would have sustained, but it didn't sustain, and then there is a continuous fall. Okay, so now looking at this particular chart, before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, let's see where the price is moving now. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, because now it is moving in a zone. Okay, so it will move in a zone if till the time it is not breaking that particular zone. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come towards a level of around $82.19, and from there to a level of 81.15. After 82.19, it can touch a level of $81.15. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, chances of touching a level of around 80.29 we can see 80.29. Okay, and if the price fall below 80.29, a further fall we can see towards a level of $79.27. Okay, and if the price fall below $79.27, then we can see it can touch a level of around $77.43. Once the price fall below 77.43, a further fall we can see towards a level of 76.61. Keep that in mind that as soon as it started falling below a level of $77, chances are very high that it will move further low. Okay, but overall trend, if you look at this trend, chances are very high. If it moves below a level of around 81 also, there is a higher chances of going further fall, because there is a clear pattern forming showing a downtrend if the price fall below 81. But if the price sustain above 85, a further upside movement we can see, because the pattern is forming that also. Okay, so suppose if the price fall below 77, a chances of going towards 74 we can see, and from there to a level of 72. And if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see in the price of crude. Always remember that to set your SL, okay, it will save your capital, and always try to trail your SL. This will save your profit. These two things are very important, you have to do. Okay, now if the price sustain this level, because market is uncertain, if you are keeping your SL and trailing SL, you will save your capital as well as profit. Okay, and market is always uncertain, you have to remember, so that you should not be wiping out of capital, because the traders lose money. Okay, that is what they do. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of around $83.43. Okay, and if the price move up that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of around 84.86. Once the price sustain above 84.46, then we can see it can touch a level of around $86.14, because $85 is a strong resistance. So once the price sustain above 86.49, a further upside we can see, and then chances of touching a level of 87.81 is there. And if the price move above that particular level, a further upside we can see towards a level of around 89.70. You have to keep it in mind and understand that the probability of going further upside will be there if as soon as the price sustain above 85. Okay, so once it sustain above 85, we can see a level of $87.81 after crossing a level of 86.19, and then to a level of 88.18, and then a probability is high it will cross a level of around 90 and can cross cross a level of 90, and then it can cross a level of 91.82 also, because that is already being tested here. So chances of touching a level of 95 is there. So once the price sustain above 95, a further upside we can see, and then there will be a zone breakout. So chances are high it will move further high and can go towards a level of $97.68, and then further high towards a level of 100. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.